Let's look at this question now. Varsha is making different styles of color pattern by drawing 5 vertical lines from left to right. She has decided to draw 3 vertical lines with crayon colors and 2 vertical line with watercolors. She has 3 different watercolors and 2 different crayon colors. All 5 colors are distinct at her disposal. How many different patterns can she create using these colors if repetition of colors is allowed? The page on which vertical stripes are made is not rotated while making or observing later. Okay, so there are 2 types of color available. First is crayon and the watercolors, right? So we have to draw 3 lines. We have to draw 3 lines, right? And how many crayons are available to draw 3 lines? 2 type or 2 colors, right? Crayons of 2 colors are present. 2 colors are present, and we have to draw 2 stripe lines with watercolors. And how many colors are present? There are 3 colors. 3 different colors of watercolors are present. Okay, now we have to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are all five. We have 5 different colors, but repetition is also allowed. It is given, right? So I know out of these 5 lines, 3 would be of crayon and 2 would be of water. So first, let me just select the 3 lines which we need to draw with crayon colors, right? So selecting 3 lines out of these 5 would be done in 5C3 ways, right? This is selecting 3 lines out of 5 lines. Now, can you see these 3 lines? How many options are available for each of the line? How many options of color are available for each of the line? This first line could be colored in 2 ways. The second line could be colored in 2 ways, and the third line could be colored in 2 ways, because there are 2 options available for crayon colors. Now we can say that these 3 spaces we can fill it in these in 2 raised to the power. This is 2, this is 2, and this is 2, right? So this would be 2 raised to the power 3 ways, in which I can draw these crayon colored lines, right? And whatever is left, this should be colored with watercolors. Now we have 3 colors, so each of this line could be colored in 3 ways and 3 ways, so it would be 3 square. So the total number of ways in which this can be done would be 5C3. 5C3 would be equal to 5C2, and 5C2 is 5 4 by 2, that is 10 into 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. So it would be 72 into 10, or 720. So the how many total different patterns can she create? So answer has to be 720.